Thanks a lot. So, hi everyone, my name is Fridolin Franke. I'm co-founder and CEO of Solar Materials. And our mission is to ensure that solar becomes circular. Clean solar energy must include solar panel recycling when they reach their end of life. They're an important source of raw materials, and they can play a major role to make Europe more energy and resource independent. So over the last 12 months, we reached two major milestones. So first of all, we commissioned our first automated recycling line in Magdeburg in Germany. And second, we also went through all of the certification processes. So now we are one out of only two certified recycling companies for silicon solar panels in Germany. So far, solar panels are recycled by shredding and sorting, a method that partially recovers glass, aluminum, and copper, but the functional materials of the solar cells, so the silicon and silver, cannot be recovered. And with that, 50% of the raw material value is lost. We developed a unique approach, or kind of a reverse production process with which we can cleanly separate layer by layer of the solar panels, and with that recover all materials from them. So this means we recover glass, aluminum, copper, silicon, and silver. We filed so far 5 patents along our core innovation of the delamination process, and all of these machines we currently have and the ones we now build are custom made for us, and so we also built an extensive process know-how around these machines. On a commercial level, we see great demand on the input side and on the output side. So we have a two-sided business model. So we get or source solar panels from solar park operators or collecting schemes, and on the other hand, sell our raw materials to the industry. On the input side, we were already able to secure over 1,000 tons, so this is like 100 truckloads of solar panels already this year. And in our sales pipeline, we have another around 300 truckloads more coming this year already. And at the moment, we face the challenge to store all of these panels before we have enough capacity to process it. On the off-take side, on the other hand, we also see a great demand for our materials. For example, our glass is in way higher quality than the state-of-the-art processes. So our customers demand up to 50,000 tons of glass at the moment. This would mean we have to build 10 recycling lines on full capacity. The first step to that is that we build our first industrial-sized recycling plant. This already started, so we closed our Series A round end of April. And with that funding, we increase our recycling capacity to over 10,000 tons per year, which is equivalent to 500,000 panels. Of course, I don't do that alone, so our team complement each other with a clear distribution of the roles. So I personally handle business development and finance. My co-founder, Jan Philipp, is handling strategy, sales, and also building the organizational structure. And Jan is responsible for the tech development and also the production planning. To really grow, we also get some new key hires on board. So we're currently in the hiring process for a CFO, head of production, and also head of R&D. This first recycling plant we are currently building is just the starting point. So it's a global problem, so everywhere recycling solutions are needed. And this first-of-a-kind plan should act as a blueprint to really build more of these recycling sites in other parts of the world. We don't do this completely on our own. It's such a huge problem, so we target to partner with larger recycling corporates in different countries to build more of the recycling capacity. The first step, or the next step for us, is to raise our Series B round in early 2025 to increase our recycling capacity in Europe to up to 40,000 tons, and with that become Europe's market leader in solar panel recycling. So if you would like to join us on our mission to transform solar panel waste into valuable resources, I'm really happy to have a chat with you later today or tomorrow. Thanks a lot.